Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to manage Minimap settings in Delta Force. So as you see, I'm already on the main menu and I'm gonna head over at the top right of my screen to settings. Then I'm gonna go to the third tab called screen, and as you see there's the warfare section and there's the Minimap settings. All you need to do to manage it, so the first one, to enable it, all you need to do just left click once and disable it by clicking. I'll left click another time, and those 4 settings that have a slider on, all you need to do, just left click and you can drag it across right to higher up the volume, or left if you wanted less value. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.